In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to Squarespace. Adding a touch of music can really enhance your website, making it more engaging and setting the perfect tone for your visitors. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens. You can get there by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to your website's dashboard. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to examine your layout and decide where you'd like your background music to play. Music can help create an atmosphere, so think about the feeling you want your visitors to experience when they land on your page. Now let's move to the next step. Look around the page editor and locate the Add Block button. This feature allows you to seamlessly add various elements to your website, enhancing its functionality and visual appeal. Click on it, and a menu will appear with a variety of options to choose from. Within this menu, you'll want to find and click on the Audio Block option. This selection is essential as it allows you to integrate audio files directly into your web page. Squarespace makes it relatively straightforward by listing options clearly. You might need to scroll a little bit to find it if you have lots of blocks available, but don't worry, it's there. After you've added the audio block to your page, click on it to bring up the edit options. This is where you can customize the settings for your audio feature. Clicking on Edit allows you to adjust various attributes and personalize how the music fits into your web page layout. Once that's open, you should see an option to Add Audio Track. Clicking on this will prompt you to upload your chosen audio file. It's best to have your audio file prepared ahead of time for a smooth process. Make sure your music file is in an appropriate format that Squarespace accepts. Uploading the track might take a few moments depending on the file size. Just be patient. Now that you've uploaded your audio track, don't forget to click the Save button. This is crucial, as it ensures all your hard work is securely stored and applied to your website. You don't want to go through all those steps only to lose progress. And there you have it. Your background music is now part of your Squarespace website. Take a moment to preview your site and check that everything sounds and looks just the way you want. If you need to make adjustments, you can always go back and tweak things until they're just right. Thanks for watching and happy creating.